Hello guys, I'm just showing you this epic rainstorm at the end of March 29th, March 29th, 2014, and there's an epic rainstorm. Later thunderstorm might be possible in the night. That's a little bit later, so we're not gonna worry about that now. We're gonna worry about that 8:30, 9:30. It's not tornado possible though, that's what I'm gonna tell you. We rarely get tornadoes. It's getting pretty windy though. It's not windy yet actually. It feels kinda windy, but it's kinda windy, but not really. It's not even 1 mile per hour. So yeah, bye.